packing demo, packing samples, packing it all for Vegas, baby. Here come the Tubby Tubbies, here come the Tubby Tubbies. There is Tinky Winky.
Oh, really? No, I'm Tinky Winky.
She's asked what pieces of advice would I give anyone about starting a business in glass. Social media. We all, as artists, this is for artists as well as anyone who's in business. Social media has to be 30% of your working day. As an artist, as any kind of manufacturer, you want to get yourself out there. I always see people who talk about the fact that someone is copying what they're doing. And I feel for you, I know it's not great, but it really doesn't matter at all. Because unless you can sell your work, you can make very beautiful original pieces and it's not going to mean jack. So you need to get on social media, you need to have a really good social media presence, and if you're someone like me, you have a really awesome social media team. I have 20 women and 3 social media people. That's the proportion of people who do social media, and it's the only way I can keep on top of it. And I still, first thing in the morning when I get up, I'm the one on Facebook, checking what you guys are saying, and look at what you're doing, and commenting and liking it, and on it. It's super, super important in this day and age. And I went to a bar with the Miller who was helping me do the video and got completely hammered, but oh my god, someone's watched it! And you know, I look back there and that video is my first video, now, had hundreds of thousands of views, and I'm like, someone really did watch it.
Now, I wanted to share an idea that I had. So
You have a wife, so
yes, so that's where I was starting. You're already reading my mind. But I said that, Tabitha, I feel like she's a sister from another mister, or I'm a brother from another mother, and we just compared notes, we're almost the same age.
we are.
And she's, it's okay. You're also ahead in the time zone, so it just makes sense. So I was thinking that as a glass pair, should we have some sort of name? Should it be Jamaison or Jamaison?
Jamaison.
You like Jamaison?
I know this one, but we had a little thing in our studio. We decided that Jameson's groupies are called Jamies, and my groupies are called Tabby Tuggies. So awesome, and we love you. Thank you, Barbara. And thank you guys all for coming, and thank you so much to my goddamn amazing team. Yay! Thank you, everyone. The last ticket is 537. Yay! Come on and choose a bumper sticker fridge magnet.
Okay. What are you taking, Lisa? You want a bag?
Artwork bags.
A goodie bag?
Yeah,
I'm into goodies.
Yay.
Surprise.